Ramirez for 2. First 2 points of the ball game yan. Galing kay Ramirez. Lissing. 2 points din niya. Pabanda. May for 2. Parang Misoy, 2 points. Pero, napunta kay Bien for 2. Labang ng dalawa ang mga nakaputi. Now na si Harley, easy 2 points. 10 to shoot. 3 points para kay Jaramel Bacunawa. Kaya naman si Lissing, pumatake, pinasa kay Balong for 2. Jaramel, nilapit, natapikaan, pero pasok pa rin yan. Inagawa ni Paring Misoy. Paring Misoy all the way 2 points. Agaw! Sakto. Ano pa rin? Pass to Ramirez. 2 points para kay Ramirez. 3 points. Tulay. Rebound and Lissing. Binato na naman. 2 points na yan para kay Balong. 3 in 1, Lissing, pinasa kay Jake, 2 points. Canoy, 3 points. Balong, Lozada from Jessimon. Libre si Jessimon, 3 points. Short ang kanyang layup, rebound niya Lissing, nawan na naman dyan si Balong. Balong, easy 2 points. 14 seconds. Lincalio, 2 points. 2 seconds. At dyan magtatapos ang ating first quarter. Ang score natin, 29-18. Jessimon pass to Balong. Balong for 2. Dumiretso rin malakas. Rebound ni Canoy for 2. Peñamora, 2 points. Atin si Paring Misoy for 2. Two points. Three points para kay Rolly Canoy. Jessimon for 2. Two points. Jessimon for 2. Ramirez. Two points. My for 2. Agaw. Ben for 2. Pass to Hardy sa gilid. 3 points. Agaw ni Paring Tutoy. Jessimon all the way 2 points. 10 seconds. Jessimon for 2. Balong for 2. Alley-oop. Hardy. 2 points lang, 2 points. Nakatapak. Paso. Jessimon, 2 points. Sa ating midget, 16 under. Sablay ang layup. Peña Mora para sa follow-up. Harley libre. Easy 2 points. 51-41. Peña Mora, 2 points. Listen. Bien, part 2. Jessimon. Change players. 40 to shoot. Basket down. Balong, court 2. 3 points para kay JB Lozada. 3. Ayaw nga sa malapit, gusto malayo. May for 2. Paring Misoy. Bien for 2. 5. Peña Mora for 2. At dyan na magtatapos ang ating third quarter. Ang score natin 79-49. Pag galing basket break, tuloy-tuloy yun. Harley for 2. Jerabel for 2. Three para kay Peña Mora. Rebound ni May pa rin. Kanoy. Lizzie. Jen for 2. JB Lozada. 3. Taktakilo. 3. Kanoy. Lozada, balon. 3. 3. Jake Medrano. Three. Alright, nagkonsina po ang white team. Final score natin, 105-70.